Alright, got 3 jewel cichlids with the black spots. Parrot cichlid for $7, and there's 1 clown loach at the bottom, but there's a total of 3. So it's a total of 11 fish inside this aquarium, 75 gallon. But as you see, the showcase fish is the parrot, who stands alone. It'll probably get up to 5 inches, probably 2.5 now. The jewel, which is in the little cave, is probably gonna get about 6 inches, and he's probably about 2.5. So he'll be a little larger. And the silver dollars can get up to 5 inches, I think they say, diameter. So they'll be pretty big. So this is a sufficient size tank for these fish. The loaches, however, get up to 12 inches, they say, but that's dependent on the size of the tank. But I don't think they shouldn't exceed 6 to 8. But this one that has like a yellowish tint coming now has probably grown the most of all of them, and he's getting more aggressive. There he is, right there next to the parrot, approaching the so this is how they roll.